Let's explore a very simple technique in RoboHelp that has a lot of applications. Many people reproduce content with copy and paste. They will click, copy, insert, and paste. And that's not that difficult to do, but it can get rather tedious if you have to do this enough times. So I'm going to go and do an undo, and I'll just use Control Z the next time. Wanted to show you that in RoboHelp, as with many other programs, once you've selected text or graphics, if you hold down the Control key and click your left mouse button over the content, you can simply drag down text. And we could also click right underneath that. And let's go ahead and do the same thing with the graphic. I'm going to go Control click, drag it down, and I've made a duplicate of the graphic. Let's also discover that you can do text and graphics together with no problem at all. Perhaps I want to have a section very similar to this, heading, three items, and I might even want to have a graphic in here. So I'm very swiftly going to insert an image, and I think I'll probably just go ahead and pick the same one I did last time. Go ahead and pick symbols. Saw some down here. I'm going to go ahead and pick a big question mark. There we go. Insert that. And I might want to make it a little bit bigger. I'm just doing this just so it looks a little bit bigger. So as an example, let's say that you wanted to have 3 question marks. I could go ahead and actually duplicate them. Go ahead and get another space where I can do one more, and I've got 3. So now that I've duplicated that, I'd like to have a section just like this down here in the area that I've selected. So you simply select the entire list, including the graphics, hold down the Control key, click on top of it, do it one more time, Control Z, go back here, and let's do this carefully. Simply go ahead and select the whole thing, Control on top of it, and then move right down here, voila, and you'll see that I have an exact duplicate of the same thing. And at this point, of course, I could go ahead and make some minor changes. I might decide that I want to drag in a different topic for a reference. And perhaps down here, instead of having read about the fair lending guidelines or whatever, I want to put in something else. I'm going to go ahead and drag in procedure. So that's just a way that you can easily take some existing structure in your topic and very, very swiftly get a duplicate without copy and paste. That's all there is to it.